Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today, and in this video we are going to discuss about India-Japan partnership in a specified skilled worker. So the Union Cabinet recently approved the Memorandum of Understanding between India and Japan on a specified skilled worker. So what are the key features of Memorandum of Understanding? See, under the agreement, India will send skilled laborers to Japan. And this memorandum will set an institutional framework for cooperation between India and Japan for accepting skilled workers. And the only condition is that the workers should have qualified in the required skill test and in Japanese language test. According to the memorandum, the qualified Indian workers can work in 14 specified sectors in Japan, and the Indian workers are to be provided new status of residence of specified skilled workers according to the agreement. Further, a joint working group is to be set up to implement the Memorandum of Understanding, and this memorandum will also enhance people to people contacts. Also, it will foster mobility of workers and skilled professionals from India to Japan. What are the 14 sectors included in this memorandum? So, the 14 sectors are industrial machinery, building cleaning, nursing care, material processing industry, electric and electronic information related industry, industrial machinery manufacturing industry, shipbuilding and ship related industry, aviation, automobile maintenance, fisheries, agriculture, food and beverages manufacturing industries, food service industries, and construction. Now let's also discuss that what is India-Japan nuclear deal. So the nuclear deal that was signed between India and Japan was in the year 2016, and this deal raised concerns as India was a non-nuclear proliferation treaty member. And this deal was very much needed for India because it was a key to India's deals with French and United States nuclear firms that had stakes in Japan or were owned by Japanese firms. Let's also discuss that what are the key India-Japan projects. So in 2015, India agreed to introduce the Shinkansen system, which is a high-speed bullet train of Japan. Further, India and Japan had formed Act East Forum that aims to expand the collaboration between India in Northeast and Japan.